Hello, my name is Brandan Davies. I'm an attorney with Roth Davies Trial Lawyers based in Overland Park, Kansas. In this video, I'm going to be talking a little bit about the crime of violation of a protective order. Now, before you can pick up a charge for violating a protective order, there has to be a protective order put in place against you. That can be done in a couple of different ways. First, a person can file a civil case in which they seek a PFA, protection from abuse order, or a PFS, a protection from stalking order against you. If that happens, you're going to get notice of the civil case and you're going to be able to go in and defend the case against you, in which a judge will make a determination on whether the person that is seeking the order should be able to obtain the order or not. If an order is entered against you, you will have to comply with the judge's orders. The judge says that you're not to be in contact with a person, you cannot be in contact with them in any way. Another way that a person can get a protective order placed, which prevents them from having contact with somebody, would be through a bond condition. If you are brought into court on a criminal case and the judge says, I don't want you having contact with this person during the pendency of your case. In both of these instances, either you have a PFA or PFS order granted in which you can't talk with somebody or communicate with them, or you have a bond condition put in place on you on a criminal case that prevents you from communicating with someone. If you violate that protective order, if you have communication with the person that you're not supposed to, you can be charged with violation of a protective order. If you receive a charge for violation of protective order, you are charged with a serious offense. It's a Class A misdemeanor. That's the most serious misdemeanor you can get in Kansas. It's punishable by anywhere from 0 all the way up to a year in jail. And violation of protective order is a common crime. People don't understand that when there is an order put in place that they're not supposed to communicate with them, they may think that only stops them from just calling on the telephone or talking to them in person or something of that nature. It's actually far more broad than that. Any communication, even through another party, if you talk to someone's mother and say, tell this person A, B, or C, you can be in violation of protective order by communicating through a third party. If you find yourself charged with violation of protective order, you need to sit down with an experienced criminal defense lawyer, someone that has experience with this type of case in the court in which you are in. If you need help, feel free to contact my office at 913-732-3014. Thanks.